I'm losing my grip on reality. At times I feel like a Lunchable. A sloppily compartmentalized dump of false memories and impulses. Yesterday I screamed at my waitress because she looked like an eagle. Then I cried. There was no eagle. I wasn't even in a restaurant. I was in my shower on shrooms trying to set my deadbeat dad on fire with the power of my thoughts. At times I consider selling my feet. Then I go back to bed because consideration makes my ennui flare up. My psyche is a jacuzzi filled with bat droppings and rollerblades. My heart looks like Birdman's voice. Call 404-555-BRUH for your free anti-reincarnation consultation and limited edition soul tampon, and don't forget to watch Globalization Idol every night at 7 p.m. on your brow monitor. Good night. And remember, the serpent has the head of a lion, so let your fear be the sword of your success. This is Violently Coughing.
In the beginning there was nothing, but it was kind of fun to watch nothing grow. You came walking into my life, carrying your own dreams. You could have been, yeah, you could have been good. Then why were you so goddamn mean? But till you, I never had any fun. But I'm sure glad I never, ain't you glad I never, be glad I never owned a gun.
Just tell me what just happened, if you would.
Well, John here just placed his hand on my back and did a quick prayer, and a miraculous thing just happened to me. I have no pain. My neck is not going anymore, and it feels 100% better. Whatever this man just did, it worked.
Hey, it's called Jesus, man. It's Jesus.
Thank you so much.
Just say thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
There's a room full of niggas.
The spirit of ecstasy. And hey, I didn't dog the shot.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality and everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that is true indeed.
I just found this lying around. Tee-hee. Do you like it?
Seemed like we had extra money, so we bought more stuff on time. Right back in the same boat. Not only that, the interest rate on the loan is sky high. We're paying a bundle in finance charges, and we'll probably be paying it forever.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Hei tytöt, meidän luokan kysyä, kun uskaltaisin. Oltaisinko porukalla hyvän mielen saisin. Ilmeet, ellei teidän jälleen kertoo sen. Tervetullut porukkaanne, oon mä en. Kaveri kyllä soittaa iltaisin, kun mut ei ehdi. Silloin kelpaan ystäväksi, meillä on kiva hetki. Mut aamulla, kun mut taas ympärillämme on. Kaverini feidaa, mut voi kunnon onneton.
I don't really know what happened. Not step by step, anyway. I guess I just lost control of my life, myself, everything, all at once. I was so full of anger. I thought I was just going to bust open at the seams.
Shut your bitch ass up!
Pretty
This
soon I
is
couldn't do my
causing,
job.
and has caused
I
a
didn't want
major
to.
problem in our society. Mainly, the recent spate of police violence against black children, specifically boys in our inner cities around the United States. Why? Four Loko is directly, because of the removal of these ingredients, the cause of this surge of police violence. Now, why is this? Well, in police academies all over the United States, cadets were always forced to drink Four Loko, up to 12 cans of Four Loko a day. This created a dependency of police officers on Four Loko, and they continued drinking the Four Loko after being out of the police academy. When they were officers, they continued to drink Four Loko. Now, why?
I need a girl that sucks dick. 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 Bass gun.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,